Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a critical environmental issue: acid rain and its devastating impact on Earth. Like an invisible hand, it reaches across continents, leaving destruction in its wake. From ancient forests to delicate ecosystems, acid rain spares no corner of our planet. Stay tuned to learn how this phenomenon affects our planet and what we can do to combat it. Our journey begins beneath our feet, in the soil that sustains life itself. Acid rain, a mix of sulfuric and nitric acids, infiltrates the ground, disrupting this vital resource. Essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium are stripped away. Imagine a farmer tending to his fields, the soil once rich now yielding weaker crops. This is the reality of acid rain, choking the life out of our planet's foundation. From the soil, the acidic assault continues its journey, flowing into streams, rivers, and lakes. Picture a crystal-clear mountain stream teeming with life. Now imagine that same stream, its clarity dimmed, its ecosystem under attack. Acid rain disrupts the pH balance, turning waters acidic and hostile to life. Fish struggle to breathe, their gills burned by acidity. Insects, amphibians, and other organisms perish, their habitats transformed into tombs. Acid rain impacts the very lungs of our planet, the forests. Imagine walking through a vibrant forest, the air thick with the scent of pine needles. Now picture that same forest, its trees stripped bare, leaves scorched and brown. Acid rain weakens leaves, making them vulnerable to diseases, pests, and harsh weather. Trees, once symbols of strength, stand weakened, their ability to produce oxygen compromised. Chapter 4: A Web Unraveling Loss of Biodiversity. As vegetation disappears, so too do the intricate webs of life that depend on them. Imagine a vibrant forest floor teeming with insects, small mammals, and birdsong. Now picture that same forest floor, eerily silent, the vibrant tapestry of life reduced to a shadow of its former self. With their habitats destroyed and food sources depleted, countless species face an uncertain future. Chapter 5: A Threat to Ourselves, Impact on Humans. Acid rain's consequences reach into our homes and impact our health. Imagine a family drawing water, unaware it's contaminated with heavy metals like mercury and lead. These toxins can lead to health problems from respiratory illnesses to weakened immune systems. Even the food we eat, grown in acidified soil, poses risks to our well-being. Chapter 6: Silent Suffering, Harm to Animals. For animals, acid rain is often a matter of life and death. Imagine a deer grazing on acidic leaves, its system slowly poisoned. Picture a bird feeding contaminated insects to its young, condemning them to a slow demise. Acid rain affects all creatures, disrupting their life cycles and survival. Chapter 7: A Delicate Balance, Broken Disruption of Food Chains. The natural world is a complex web of interconnected ecosystems, each reliant on the other for survival. Imagine this web, intricately woven over millennia, disrupted by acid rain. As plants are weakened or destroyed, the entire food chain suffers. Herbivores face starvation, impacting predators and scavengers alike. The consequences of acid rain extend further, reaching into the atmosphere that sustains us. Imagine a vast forest, once a vital carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide. Now, picture that same forest, its trees weakened and dying, releasing stored carbon. Acid rain, by damaging vegetation and reducing its ability to absorb carbon dioxide, exacerbates climate change. As vegetation disappears, the soil, once held in place by a network of roots, becomes vulnerable to the erosive forces of wind and rain. Imagine a hillside, once covered in lush vegetation, now stripped bare by acid rain. With each rainfall, precious topsoil is washed away, carrying with it the potential for future life. This erosion leads to land degradation, desertification, and a further decline in biodiversity, creating a vicious cycle of destruction. The impact of acid rain is not just environmental, it has profound economic consequences as well. Imagine a farmer surveying his fields, his crops withered and stunted by acid rain, his livelihood jeopardized. Picture a logging community grappling with the loss of timber resources, their way of life threatened by the silent destroyer. Acid rain, by reducing agricultural productivity, damaging forests, and impacting human health, imposes significant costs on economies around the world. Acid rain threatens ecological balance, making it essential to reduce sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, the main culprits. Implement cleaner technologies and transition to renewable energy. Act decisively to curb emissions. Advocate for sustainable practices and clean energy to protect our planet. Like, share, and subscribe for more content.